Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preheating. Set the oven to 350 degrees F and let it reach temp. Once the indicator clicks, verify with a thermometer so you know the actual heat. Place the rack where you need even cooking, center is standard, and slide in an oven-safe tray. Make sure nothing blocks the vents and that handles won't touch the door. This avoids hot spots and blown fuses, so you get predictable, even results right away. Next, you load the food and set up monitoring. Place the dish on the middle rack and leave about 1 to 2 inches around it so air can circulate. Set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes before the expected finish time. This gives you a chance to check internal temperature without overcooking. If you have a probe, insert it now and route the cord safely. Once done, watch through the window. Opening the door frequently drops heat and lengthens cooking. To finish, you remove the food and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes so carryover cooking evens the internal temperature. If the result is undercooked, increase the oven by 25 degrees and check every 5 to 7 minutes until done. This speeds recovery without burning the exterior. If browning is uneven, rotate the dish 180 degrees halfway through cooking. And if the oven seems off, recalibrate the thermostat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.